Imagine stepping into a space where $1 million luxury isn't a price tag, but a disciplined philosophy of style. Today, we decode the Parisian aesthetic, that elusive blend of Haussmannian bones and modern minimalism. I'm showing you how to curate a home that breathes with the quiet confidence of a Saint-Germain estate, using a high-low strategy that favors soul over spending. Ready to transform your reality into a masterpiece? Let's step inside this masterclass of light and gold. We begin at the threshold of elegance. This facade is a love letter to 19th-century limestone, defined by the rhythmic symmetry of wrought iron balconies and grand French windows. The contrast is intentional. The charcoal metalwork grounds the ethereal cream stone, while a grand black door with antique gold hardware whispers of the secrets kept within. It is a visual promise of the sophistication that lies beyond the heavy oak. Is the exterior just a shell, or a reflection of the soul? Step into the heart of the home, where the high-low mix reaches its zenith. Massive 2-meter gilt mirrors reflect the intricate boiserie and the warmth of chevron oak floors. Look closely at the seating. One is a $20,000 designer original, the other a $500 linen alternative. Can you spot the difference? In this light, the distinction fades, leaving only the pure, sculptural form of white boucle against a marble fireplace. Can true luxury really be found in the thrifted details? This sanctuary is a study in monochromatic depth. By layering bone-white silks with heavy neutral linens, we create a tactile landscape that feels expensive because it is effortless. The sunburst mirror serves as a golden halo above the bed, catching the morning light to illuminate the delicate wall moldings. It is a space designed for rest, where the only luxury allowed is the silence of curated beauty. But does a room this quiet ever tell the full story of its owner? In the kitchen, we marry the industrial with the ancestral. Calacatta marble with deep gray veining flows across the island, meeting the warmth of antique gold faucets and open wooden shelving. It is a chef's atelier, clean, functional, yet deeply decorative. We've traded heavy upper cabinets for air and light, proving that a kitchen can be as much a gallery as it is a workspace. Does the secret to a perfect meal lie in the marble it was prepared on? Ascending to the mezzanine, we find a structural tribute to the Parisian library. Wrought iron railings overlook the grand salon, while charcoal-painted bookshelves climb toward the high ceilings. A cognac leather chair provides the perfect high-contrast accent against the pale walls. This is the intellectual spine of the house, a place where history and modern living intersect in a quiet corner. Can a single chair hold the weight of 1,000 stories? The bathroom is an exercise in Hotel Luxe indulgence. A freestanding pedestal tub acts as a sculptural centerpiece on a bed of mosaic tiles. The use of gold hardware against white marble creates a timeless warmth, while the soft flicker of candles against the gilt mirror transforms a daily routine into a ritual of self-care. It is small-scale grandeur executed with surgical precision. Is this a room for washing away the day, or for finding a new version of yourself? The garden is an exercise in restraint. Symmetrical boxwood hedges and limestone gravel create a structured path that mirrors the architecture of the house. Lavender scent fills the air, held within weathered stone planters that feel like they've stood for centuries. This secret garden aesthetic provides a soft, organic buffer between the bustling city and the private sanctuary of the home. Does the path to the door matter as much as the door itself? Elevated above the zinc-gray roofs of the city, the terrace is a masterclass in urban escapism. Here, the vibe is golden hour, eternal. Simple bistro furniture and neutral linen cushions allow the skyline to be the protagonist. Surrounded by olive trees and the glow of the Eiffel Tower, this space proves that the ultimate luxury is a private view of the world's most beautiful city. When you're this high up, does the world below even exist? The home office is where the expert persona resides. We've chosen a daring charcoal for the walls to make the white boiserie pop with architectural intensity. A glass desk keeps the floor plan open, ensuring the chevron patterns remain visible. It is a space that demands focus, balanced by the soft glow of a vintage lamp and the tactile weight of luxury fashion books. Is productivity born from discipline, or from a perfectly curated desk? Tucked away at the rear is the hidden patio, an ivy-covered retreat that feels like an extension of the dining room. A long wooden table draped in white linen sits under a canopy of fairy lights, creating a high-contrast evening setting. This is where the house breathes and socializes, a rustic, European courtyard that values the intimacy of a shared meal over grand gestures. Is the best room in the house the one without a ceiling? Creating a $1 million aesthetic on a relatable budget is an art form. It requires the eye of a curator and the heart of a poet. If you've enjoyed this tour through the layers of Parisian design, remember that your space is a canvas waiting for your unique signature. Don't just build a house, craft a legacy. Which part of this home spoke to you the most? Let me know, and let's keep designing a life well lived.